Hi, excuse me. Hi, I'm a photographer. I take photos of people in public. Okay lang bang kunan ko kayo?
Pagtitinginan po ba kami?
Hindi naman. Gawin nating low-key. You can actually just sit here and then I'll just take your photo.
Just one photo ba?
Well, kung gusto mo isa lang, walang problema. Pero I can take a lot if you want.
Are you gonna guide us with
It doesn't have to be like high fashion. May mga ganun. Yeah, you can just sit down and then just look at the camera or not. Yeah, it's your choice. Sample shot. Okay, ready? 1, 2. Here you go. There.
Oh, I like it! Okay, bagong leafy.
Yeah, you can use it for anything. You don't even have to ask for my permission.
Ikaw pa.
Ikaw pa daw.
Saan?
Pwede kang tumayo kung gusto mo.
Kasi
Against the Lord.
Anong pose ba?
Any. Yeah, walang problema.
Ay, grabe. I like
Bam.
it.
Bam. Bam. There. Okay.
Gusto ko.
There.
Ayun.
You already did. Okay, nasend mo na rin sa akin?
Ay, sa Kodak po.
Kodal.
Kodal.
Hindi ako yung Kodak. Mga demanda tayo, girl.